Hi, my name is Matt Williams. I work with Refined Wealth Management. The purpose of this video is to introduce myself and Refined Wealth Management. RWM is a registered investment advisor. We focus on comprehensive financial planning, we are fiduciary, and we are based in Salt Lake City, Utah. We've made it our focus to know at a very deep level Marathon Petroleum employee benefits as well as retiree benefits. In this video, we will review the things that are unique with your benefits. Our intent is to show you a glimpse of what we are focused on, which is you, and how we may be able to add value as you're accumulating for retirement or transitioning into retirement. We currently work with many Marathon employees. We do so in two ways. We offer financial planning services, which are focused on assets, liabilities, income, expenses, and policies. Second, we manage individuals' retirement assets. We want to understand what your goals are and help you achieve them. I want to get further into Marathon employee benefits. In the following slides, we will briefly introduce the things we think are unique within your employee benefits. Starting with your 401k. 401k investment allocations. You're limited to the funds offered within your 401k. We can help you in choosing the appropriate funds for your investment goals. This is a critical piece of our financial planning service. Contribution limits. In 2023, if you're under the age of 50, the maximum contribution will increase from $20,500 to $22,500, which is a $2,000 increase for the year. If you're over the age of 50, you're allowed a catch-up contribution. The catch-up is increasing $1,000 from $6,500 to $7,500 for a total allowable contribution of $30,000. Within the Marathon plan, you are allowed to contribute more than the maximum $22,500. You can do this by using the after-tax contribution source. We'll provide a follow-up video to help you understand your sources better and how to use these sources to maximize your retirement benefit. Your match and investment sources. If you contribute 6% of your salary, you will receive a 7% match. This can be contributed as pre-tax, Roth, or after-tax, or a combination. If you max out your plan before the end of the year, you will want to change your contribution to after-tax, or you may miss out on match. In addition, if you do not designate 6% contribution to your bonus, you will also miss out on match opportunity. Marathon has an option to convert your after-tax contribution to Roth. There are rules that dictate how this can be done. We'll create another video that goes a little bit more in depth on both your sources and the Roth conversion. The next is Marathon stock ownership. This is a new limitation effective January 1st, 2023. If you hold greater than 25% of your 401k within Marathon stock, you can continue to do so. You will not be forced to sell. If you are over 25%, you are not allowed future contributions to continue to go towards Marathon. Instead, your future contributions will automatically be redirected to your target retirement fund. We think it's important to review this so that you stay in control of your future allocations. Next is real-time stock trading. You are allowed to buy and sell Marathon stock in real time within your 401k. There are limits to how often you can trade, but a market order will fill in real time. There are multiple order types within your 401k. There are market orders, limit orders good until canceled, and a limit order for the day. Each has a different purpose and applies in different situations, but all are useful to understand. Next piece would be net unrealized appreciation. With each share of Marathon you acquire, the cost basis is tracked, what you've paid for the stock. The amount you purchased these shares for is important. If there is a significant increase from what you paid and what they are worth, you may want to consider a net unrealized appreciation of the stock upon retirement. If you are not necessarily close to retirement, you'll want to understand your cost basis before you sell the shares to ensure you are not giving up possible tax advantages in the future. There are benefits outside of your 401k as well, such as open enrollment. There are many items to address during open enrollment, but a few things you'll want to focus on are: which healthcare option will you choose? Will you participate in the traditional insurance, low deductible, or will you participate in a high deductible plan that then allows you to choose to contribute to an HSA or health savings plan? A family is allowed to contribute $7,750 annually to an HSA. An individual can contribute $3,850. These contributions are tax deductible, and if they are used for medical expenses, are tax-free distributions. Another item you'll want to review is your life insurance. Do you have the proper amount for what stage of life you are in? There are two methods used to help determine how much insurance you may need: based upon the human life value or needs-based. Insurance through your employer is generally the most cost-effective, and it's important to review these each year. Retiree medical coverage. For each year you serve, you receive 4 points towards your medical benefit. When nearing retirement, you can add up your points and determine what retirement medical will cost. This is an important factor as medical insurance expenses continue to rise. Pensions. We can help you understand your Marathon pension more thoroughly and how you can take your pension upon retirement. You can illustrate your pension online within the Fidelity portal. For Legacy Endeavor employees, in 2022, Marathon introduced the ability to take an in-service withdrawal from your Endeavor pension. Only the final average pay portion of your pension, the FAP. Some of you may qualify, some of you may not. It has everything to do with when you were hired. We'd be happy to go into more detail and help determine if this is an option for you. I hope you have found some benefit in this video. Again, my name is Matt Williams with Refined Wealth Management. I'd love to have a conversation with you to discuss your particular situation and determine if our financial planning services could benefit you. Please contact us at 385-351-0202, and we'd be happy to help in any way possible. You can also go to our website at www.refinedwm.com. You can subscribe there, or you can send me an email at m.williams@refinedwm.com. By doing so, we'll be sure to get you the most up-to-date content concerning Marathon Petroleum benefits.